At first I was afraid, I was petrified, kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. And so I spent so many nights thinking I did me wrong, that I was strong. And I don't know how to get along, and so you're back from another face. I just walk in to find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid life, I should have made you the key. If I would not for just 1 second, you'd be back to bother me. Go now, go, walk out the door, just turn around now, cause you're no welcome anymore. Why don't you wanna try to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I crumble? Did you think I lay down and die? You're not right. I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my life to give, and just survive. I will survive.